Hi guys, I'm Daphne Quay, your boss lady realtor here in Austin, Texas. Today I have another, I would say, kind of unique video for y'all. Usually we do videos about market updates and things to do in Austin, different neighborhoods. But recently I feel like it's really important for me to share my listings with you so that you can see that I'm an actual real life realtor here in Austin. One of the neighborhoods that a lot of my clients buy homes in is Cedar Park, and I have a listing that just hit the market in Cedar Park right here in the Cypress Creek neighborhood. This neighborhood is super popular. The location is really wonderful. It's close to a ton of stuff to do. There's a humongous HEB Plus that is a 4-minute drive from here, along with Lakeline Mall and Lakeline Shopping Center. There's schools within a couple blocks away, so everything is super convenient, and it's a very comfortable lifestyle here in Cedar Park. The home that we're going to be looking at today, like I mentioned, is located in the Cypress Creek neighborhood. This home is a one-story. It's actually really spacious considering it is a one-story. It is just shy of 2,400 square feet. There are 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. This home sits on nearly a 1/4 acre and it has a pool. My client, or I would say the owner of the home, has done an excellent job maintaining it and really making sure that the key items are up to date. The roof was installed in July of 2023. The HVAC system is fairly new as well. Water heater too. Flooring has been replaced. There's just been a lot of love that has gone into this particular home that makes it not just welcoming and beautiful, but it's also a really excellent representation of the style of home that you can find in Cedar Park. So before we begin, I'm going to ask you to like this video if this type of home tour is helpful for you, and if it would be helpful for you to see more videos like this one. I personally love showing off my clients' homes and love sharing this portion of my life and my work with you guys. So with that, let's get started. Let's go. So what did you think? Do you guys like these types of videos? I personally really like doing videos like this one of my clients' homes to share with you guys. So if you found this video helpful, please make sure to click the like button so that I know to continue to making videos like this one. Also, if you have not yet, please make sure to subscribe and hit the notification button so you get notified every time that I do a video like this one. Remember guys, I work with people from all over the world and all over the country that are looking to buy a home in Austin or sell a home in Austin. So if you're thinking about making a move, you can contact me. My contact information is in the description below. Thank you all so much for watching. I'm Daphne Quay, your boss lady realtor. Until next time, bye.